Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pay with a PayPal QR code. First, open the PayPal app on your phone and log in using your email and password. Now make sure your account is active and that you have a permanent method already linked, such as a bank account, debit card, or PayPal balance. Then, from the PayPal home screen, look for the scan or pay option and tap on it. Here, this option is shown as a QR code icon, and it will open the camera inside the app. After that, point your phone's camera at the merchant's PayPal QR code. Now hold your phone steady and wait a second while PayPal scans the code automatically. Next, once the QR code is scanned, you will be taken to the payment screen. Here, you may be asked to enter the payment amount if the merchant has not already set it. Then, review the amount carefully and choose your payment method. You can select your PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or saved debit or credit card. After that, double check the merchant name and payment details to make sure everything is correct. Finally, tap on Pay to confirm the payment. Here, PayPal will process the transaction and you will see a confirmation message once the payment is successful. The merchant will also receive the payment instantly. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.